Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have OPPO A60 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. In the first step, open Google Chrome application or application which support long screenshot. It can be settings or something that have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we tap on scroll. And now we can scroll and adding more information to our long screenshot and create it. After we add all we need, we press done to confirm it. And after processing we have it in our gallery right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!